at that sweet girl. Look, Roxie. See your little new sissy? That's a new little sissy right there. Yeah. Isn't that sweet? Yeah, she's so pretty. She's only 6 weeks old, born April the 24th. I just picked her up, and Roxie likes her. Yeah. And she's a sweet little baby. Aw, she's so cute. Roxie's wagging her tail. She likes her. I knew she would. Roxie's such a good little girl. Yes, you are. You want her to play? Yeah? She'll learn how to play with you, Roxie. Such a cute little baby. Yeah, she's adorable. Now I gotta think of a name for her. Roxie's just so engrossed in watching every move. You like her, Roxie? Yeah, she's playing with your Snoopy. You're such a good girl sharing your toys. Yes, you are. That's a good girl. Is that not the cutest little face? Oh my goodness. Roxie, what do you think? Are you happy? Where are you going? Oh yeah, little happy stuff. Yeah. I'm trying to get her. She's wiggling around so much. Yeah. We got us a new little member of our family. Yes, we do. This is so funny. Absolutely hilarious. What'd you think, girl? You got an itchy. You just had a bath. What's going on? Did I not get all the soup off of you? Huh? Isn't it magical what a little baby puppy does to everybody? It makes them all so happy. Yes, it does. Well, I think she's going to be all right here. She just had a little bath before she came here. And she's just so adorable.